I'm so proud of you. Okay, Lincoln, get your lunchbox. Because you know, you are sitting there, but
And Miss Stacy, I can be on my 2 turns.
yes, I think all the boys have had a turn twice already. And can you take a napkin for your lunch, please?
I'll take it. So I never made a napkin.
You don't need a napkin? How are you going to wipe your face?
Have you guys picked any tomatoes?
No, they're still very small. I think they're going to be those little baby tomatoes.
It's hard for them to get big enough to... Yeah. But how are those plants going to get big enough, you know?
You're not supposed to. I have to keep trimming it. That's what the directions say. Trim, and when you see the flowers, don't trim those, just trim.
Okay.
See what happens? I saw it at Bed Bath & Beyond, so.
Oh, cool.
Not Yehuda's mom bought it for us.
Who's it?
Yehuda's mom bought it
Oh,
for
nice.
us. But I saw it, that's where I saw it, so I
Cool.
think that this doesn't belong on the table.
Who lights the candles? Miss Stacy? Okay. Beautiful flowers.
What's the matter?
2 boys, 2
Okay, so Adam's a boy and Eliab was a boy.
They don't smell. Right, there's no water in them. So who's your Shabbat Abba there? What's your name? Say it again? Okay. Lincoln. I love your pretty red hair. Or your handsome red hair. Orange. Okay. It's very nice.
Orange like these.
Yeah, I'd say it's more auburn. Does your mom or dad have red hair? Huh. Your grandparents? No?
Nobody in my family has orange hair, just me.
Well, my grandmother had red hair. Mine's dyed now, but it's kind of reddish naturally.
My neighbor has 3 kids, red, blonde, and brown.
Wow. Interesting. We won't say anything. No.
She's one of each.
Yeah.
I'm the only one who has, just like I'm the only one who has curly hair in the family.
Yeah. But there's no question you and your sister are sisters.
Okay, ready? The Shabbos angels are peeking through my window. Emma's lighting candles, and Abba goes to shul. The Shabbos angels are peeking through my window. Emma's lighting candles, and Abba goes to shul. Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom to all of you. Get a plate. Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom to all of you. Shabbat shalom. It's nice to be at home. Shabbat shalom. It's nice to be at home with Gabriella, with Lincoln. Yesterday we watched with the sing with Eliyahu and Eva too. Shabbat shalom. It's nice to be at home with Nora. Yehuda, who's your yarmulke? Kayla, Lori, Adam, Ori, Yaakov, Yonah, Ellie, and Jonathan too. Shabbat shalom. It's nice to be at home with Eyal and Sasha. And I skipped somebody. And Kate. Oh, and Liv. So and Liv too. Shabbat shalom. It's nice to be at home with Sanju, with Gabriella, mommy and daddy, and Miss Stacy too. Okay. Okay, all the girls, please stand up and let's help Gabriella bring in the Amen. Hands up. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher nitanu b'mitzvot al mitzvot yadai. And everybody help me over the Hamotzi. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam hamotzi min ha'aretz. Amen. What do you say, dear friends?
Shabbat Shalom.
Shabbat Shalom. Hey, Shabbat
Shabbat
Shalom.
Shalom.
Shabbat, 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 Shabbat Shalom. Shabbat Shalom. Shabbat Shalom.
Hey, Shabbat, 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 Shabbat Shalom.
Shabbat, Shabbat,
Shabbat Shalom. Can you take a picture?
Shalom.
Is it still recording?
No, switch it on.
Yeah.